If we start working now, we can try to do our best to stop creating the damage that we are creating. Offshore wind and renewable energies are going to allow us to do that. My name is Teaera Strum. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Strum Contracting Company, Inc. We primarily focus in on heavy civil construction projects. Offshore wind allows Strum Contracting to use the skill sets that we already have to shift into renewable energies. We can hire locally from men and women up the street that have literally been devastated by blue-collar industries leaving the city of Baltimore. We can give people hope. We can also have sustainability for our children to live in a world where it's not summertime 365 days a year.